How to activate a Coinbase wallet. Have you ever felt the thrill of owning a piece of digital history? A cryptocurrency? But the journey starts with a wallet. And today, we're diving into one of the most popular options, the Coinbase Wallet. Let's explore how to activate it and take your first steps into the world of crypto. Imagine your crypto wallet as a digital safe, a place where you store your digital assets. But, unlike a physical safe, it's accessible from anywhere in the world. Coinbase Wallet is a great choice because it's user-friendly and offers a high level of security. Step 1. Download the Coinbase Wallet app. Let's start by downloading the Coinbase Wallet app. You can find it on the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Once downloaded, open the app and tap on Create a new wallet. Step 2. Secure your wallet with a password. The next step is to create a strong password to protect your wallet. Remember, a strong password includes a combination of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. After you've set your password, you'll be asked to confirm it. Step 3. Backup your recovery phrase. The most crucial step in securing your wallet is to back up your recovery phrase. This is a series of 12 random words that acts as the key to your wallet. Write down these words in the correct order and store them in a safe place. Never share your recovery phrase with anyone. Step 4. Fund your wallet. Now that you've secured your wallet, it's time to fund it. You can add funds by transferring cryptocurrency from another wallet or exchange. To transfer cryptocurrency, you'll need to provide the recipient address. In this case, it's the address of your Coinbase wallet. Step 5. Explore the Coinbase Wallet app. Once your wallet is funded, you can start exploring the app. You'll find features like sending and receiving cryptocurrency, buying and selling crypto, and even browsing decentralized applications, dApps. Additional tips. Keep your wallet secure, always use a strong password, and never share your recovery phrase. Stay updated. Keep your Coinbase Wallet app updated to benefit from the latest security features and improvements. Use a hardware wallet. For an extra layer of security, consider using a hardware wallet like a Ledger or Trezor. Activating a Coinbase wallet is a straightforward process that can open up a world of possibilities. By following these steps and prioritizing security, you'll be well on your way to exploring the exciting world of cryptocurrency. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe for more crypto content. Until next time.